Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to share a leg of lamb roast recipe with you. It is juicy, it is succulent, it is very delicious and so easy that even a first timer can get it absolutely correct. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up if you like my recipes. You can also follow me on Instagram. So these are all the ingredients we will be needing. I have also written the complete recipe in description box. This is a 2.5 kg leg of lamb and all of this stuff is going to be the marinade. I am going to use a roasting tray because it is a slow cooked leg of lamb recipe. If you don't have it, you can use any oven proof dish. Because all the work is going to be done by the oven, please make sure that your oven is at the right temperature. I am going to preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius. In a big bowl, I am going to start making the marinade. Now it's up to you. You want to marinate it overnight, you can marinate it even days in advance, but if you want to do it the same day, ideally let the spices soak in for minimum 4 to 5 hours. After the marinade is done, make diagonal cuts on the leg of lamb so all the spices go deep down and it's nice and flavorful from inside. Now start massaging the lamb with all this marinade and make sure you massage under the cuts that you made. Now turn it over and massage the back side as well. Now if you are planning to roast it later or after 2 or 3 days, then you can put it in a bowl and cover it with an aluminum foil and refrigerate it. Just make sure on the day of roasting that you take the meat out from the fridge at least 1 hour before roasting. So it starts roasting when it's on nice room temperature and not cold. Now the preparation of roasting tray, I am going to add some cloves of garlic and some onion. The lamb is going to sit on top of it, and after roasting these will make into the base of our gravy as well. I have dissolved 2 chicken stock cubes in hot water. I'm adding that to the roasting tray. Cover the tray with foil and let it roast for at least 2 hours at 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, prepare your sidelines, the roasted vegetables. This recipe is available on my Instagram. After 2 hours, I am going to take out the roasting tray, remove the foil, flip the lamb over and put it back in the oven for 45 minutes for roasting. It will give it a nice finished look and color to the lamb. Now about the doneness of the lamb. I know a 2.5 kg leg will be done in 2 hours and 45 minutes. You can also use a meat thermometer if you like. I am going to let the lamb rest now, covered with aluminum foil, and now I am going to use this broth to make our gravy. Just pass it through a colander in a saucepan and then cook it over high heat. When it starts to boil, just add a little bit of corn flour dissolved in water and it will start to get thickened. So that's it. Dish out your lamb along with your roasted vegetables. Add that beautiful glossy gravy. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve. So that's it. Your leg of lamb with roasted vegetables is ready. I hope you like this recipe, and if you try, please provide your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.